Hey there, tech enthusiast. Today we're diving into the realm of smartphone innovation as we explore what the future holds for the Samsung Galaxy S series. With the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra setting the bar high, anticipation is building for its successor, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's delve into what we can expect and what improvements we hope to see in this highly anticipated device. While the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is undeniably sleek, we're hoping for a fresh aesthetic with the S25 Ultra. It's time for Samsung to shake things up and introduce a design that pushes the boundaries of smartphone aesthetics. RAM is crucial for seamless multitasking and future-proofing. With the S25 Ultra, we're hoping to see a return to the massive 16GB RAM configuration, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a hefty price tag, and we're hoping for some consideration in pricing with the S25 Ultra. While we understand the value of premium features, affordability is key for widespread accessibility. The inclusion of the S Pen with the S22 Ultra was a game changer, and we're eager to see even more innovative S Pen features with the S25 Ultra. From productivity enhancements to creative tools, the S Pen should be a standout feature of the device. While the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts impressive camera capabilities, there's always room for improvement. We're hoping for the return of the 10x optical zoom, along with enhancements in sensor technology and megapixel count for unparalleled photography experiences. As rumors swirl and anticipation mounts, one thing is certain: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to redefine smartphone excellence. With a blend of innovation, performance, and user-centric features, it's shaping up to be a device worth waiting for. Stay tuned for more updates as we eagerly await the unveiling of Samsung's next flagship masterpiece. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the future of smartphone technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing innovation.